Kunari Pepe ETF filed a new SEC registration. A new S1 filing with the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission proposed a Kunari Pepe ETF, signaling continued experimentation with meme theme crypto investment products. Now, if you ask me, personally, I think this is a bullish news for Pepe coin, Pepe holders, and also a bullish news for meme coin in general, because Pepe is more like the current face of meme coin in this current market cycle we are in. So this alone is a massive development, if you ask me. And the truth of the matter is, this is more like a regulated exposure. More institutional funds is about to begin to flow massively into Pepe coin, which is thereby going to trigger altcoin season. Now, if you guys go back in time, if you like reflect back when Pepe came into existence in 2023, I was privileged to have like positioned when Pepe was around $150 something million in market cap. I took my first profit around $4 billion market cap for Pepe coin. Now, if you guys remembered what happened in 2023, April to be precise, Pepe coin was the only meme coin that kickstarted the mini bull run for meme coins in 2023. You can go and check the chart and compare to like confirm what I'm saying. So I think by the time this ETF gets approved, which it should, it is going to mark an explosive phase for the entire market. The BTC dominance is still yet to drop. Remember, the moment this BTC dominance start crashing towards the downside and you see BTC pumping, then altcoins are going to explode. And altcoins like Pepe coin is going to lead the explosion by the time the liquidity rotation begins from BTC as a result of the BTC dominance crash. Now, if you're paying attention, Pepe coin is currently ranked number 45th position among millions of cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Number 45th position among the top 50 cryptos in the crypto space. So by the time the liquidity rotation begins from BTC, Pepe is going to be the number one meme coin that is going to obviously absorb majority of the liquidity and then rotate the liquidity to the rest of the meme coins. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button if you haven't already. And so I think this ETF filing is going to be a massive shift for Pepe coin, thereby giving institutional investors an access to hold Pepe coin. So they won't have to like try to figure their way out on decentralized exchange or buy from centralized exchange directly. New liquidity is about to begin to flow into Pepe coin. If an ETF for Pepe coin is approved and investors start massively buying Pepe on the spot market, it is going to create a supply shock. Like seriously. Let's go back to the chart real quick. Before then, we're going to talk about this BTC chart. We discussed this BTC chart in our previous videos, and it is currently following the exact projection I drew for you guys. I told you guys, I think then BTC was making our way to around $70,600, and that was when I drew this projection that I'm expecting a crash back to this territory, which we did. We came to the exact projection level, got a bounce from there, broke past the 70,600, flipped it into a support, and then consolidated as predicted. And then I think we are currently on our way to $73,500 for BTC. BTC currently pumped to around $73,128. So I'm expecting a rejection from that $73,500 territory to the downside. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And if you're paying attention to this BTC bear market bottom target, the last time, this is the weekly time frame by the way, the last time we lost the 50 exponential moving average, BTC tanked aggressively to the downside, spent several weeks before finally bottom. And the moment we came back up, it marks the end, like the beginning of a new massive rally to the upside. Now, I brought this chart to you guys' attention November 2025 to be precise. I told you guys I think history is about to repeat herself. 2022 bear market is about to repeat herself in this 2025-2026 bear market, which is currently happening before our very eye. And I told you guys I'm expecting a slight bounce as well to 80K territory before a final crash from there all the way to the 40, 45, 50K territory as the bear market bottom. So we are currently seated at $72,364 for BTC. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. This projection is going to play out, and the bear market projection bottom, like I said in the previous videos, is likely to be around September, latest October, first week of October. So I'm looking forward to late September to be the bottom for this current bear market we are in. That is just the truth. So yeah, that's that for that. And I think this should be a good period to start accumulating Pepe coin. I'm currently on the daily time frame, and from the look of things, we are likely to consolidate for a while between $1.7 billion and $1.3 billion for Pepe coin. If you're yet to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button. The moment we are breaking out of this $1.7 billion for Pepe coin and flipping, the moment you guys see a breakout of this $1.7 billion for Pepe coin, flipping that zone into a support, then we can start expecting further price move all the way to $2.4 billion for Pepe coin. Now, the moment we are heading to $2.4 billion, we are likely to get a massive rejection from there back to around $2 billion before continuing our journey to $3.7 billion, which is another massive resistance. Now, here is where it gets interesting. I'm expecting something like this to happen by the time Pepe eventually makes her way into this $3 billion territory. I'm expecting we to flip the $3.7 billion into a support and then begin to consolidate inside this range. We are likely to consolidate for a while inside this range. For a while, it's going to take a while inside this range and then eventually break out of that range to begin to target the higher liquidity to the upside. Now, the moment Pepe is flipping the $6.5 billion range high into a support, it is going to be game over for the bears, and we can start expecting all-time high for Pepe coin. That is just the truth. So that's that for Pepe coin. And so if you're here to like this video, like the video, subscribe to my channel if this is your first time. As always, my name is Isaac. Accumulate while you still can, while you still have the time. From now until September 2026 is still going to be an accumulation phase for the general market in particular, not just Pepe coin, for the general market. So I think if you have the capital, it will be wise to start accumulating gradually from now until then. Peace out.